According to recent information from insiders on Tesla's Giga Texas site, the automaker intends to start the production of its first full test Model Y in the coming few weeks. A fully produced test Model Y simply means that the car is operational but not street legal. Test Model Y production team will have to train new employees at Gigafactory Texas for the street legal version of the updated all-electric crossover. We already know that the upcoming Tesla Gigafactory Texas in Austin is expected to be completed before the end of this year, with full-scale production slated to kick off in 2022. However, recent reports suggest that the Model Y vehicles may roll off the production line in the Lone Star State way sooner than that, just weeks from now. Tesla has spent the better part of the year preparing the land and setting up its largest Gigafactory production facility in Austin, Texas, in what will finally become a production facility that will supply the Cybertruck, Model 3 and the Model Y vehicles to EV markets in North America. Tesla has made tremendous progress in Austin. The company has already begun performing casting tests ahead of production phases. In recent months, the automaker has focused on testing the Giga Press for the Model Y's single-piece rear casting. For those not in the know, the Giga Press is a large casting machine from an Italian manufacturer, IDRA. The Giga Texas insider also suggested that the actual production of Model Ys could start in about 2 months. Add or take a few weeks, the automaker could officially start the production of the all-electric crossover by either the end of the third quarter or the beginning of the fourth quarter of 2021. Interestingly, the estimates of the on-site insider seem to match with what Tesla CEO Elon Musk said during the second quarter of 2021 earnings call. Tesla's CEO revealed that his company had already begun commissioning in some areas of Gigafactory Texas. Mr. Musk also commended the Giga Texas and Giga Berlin construction teams for what he termed as incredible progress. Tesla's bringing this sort of new design of the Model Y in 2 new factories in limited production at the end of this year. At the second quarter of 2021 earnings call, Mr. Musk revealed that the Model Ys being assembled in Tesla's Fremont factory would be slightly different from the one that would be produced in Gigafactory Texas. According to Tesla's CEO, the Model Y from Tesla's facility in Fremont, California, will have a cast rear body, whereas the Model Y produced in Giga Texas and Germany would feature a cast front body. As for Tesla's new battery, Mr. Musk noted that Tesla had been working on bringing a structural pack with 4680 cells. This type of battery is lightweight and less costly to produce, as per the automaker. Still, the company will continue using its non-structural packs, 2170. The company has even acquired more land around the Gigafactory Texas site, where it's looking to launch the production of 4680 battery cells. Once Model Y production is ramped up, the automaker plans to begin working on the Cybertruck and the Semi production at the same facility. At first, Tesla will be focusing on Model Y production before ramping the Cybertruck production by the end of 2021. Tesla CEO has warned that the production of its electric pickup truck might once again be delayed due to the limited availability of battery cells and global supply chain challenges. As for the semi-truck, we're not sure whether it will be built at the new Gigafactory Texas, but Mr. Musk had confirmed that the electric semi-truck would be produced near its original Gigafactory in Nevada. The automaker is also expected to enter the mass production of the Semi at its upcoming new factory in Austin. In other unrelated news, Tesla marked 15 years this week since co-founder and CEO Elon Musk unveiled the company's master plan. Essentially, the properly drafted top-secret master plan outlined what billionaire Mr. Musk envisioned for his car company a few years before Tesla could even deliver a single electric car from its production lines. The tech mogul Elon Musk always lays out incredibly ambitious stretch goals and then pushes his employees and executives to meet them. He has so far led his electric car company from being a tiny startup to the world's most valuable automaker. The general ideas of the master plan are clearly listed at the tail end of the document, giving anyone with even a glimmer of skepticism a clear-cut plan of what was expected to come. Let's take each of Mr. Musk's key goals in turn. Mr. Musk's first goal was to build a sports car, the Tesla Roadster. Priced exclusively for celebrities and wealthy figures, Tesla used the Roadster as a fundraising device to generate the capital for a second EV. As per Mr. Musk, Tesla's strategy was to enter at the high end of the market, where car buyers were ready to pay a premium, and then drive down the market as quickly as possible to higher unit volume and cut down prices at each successive model. That is exactly what was achieved. The Roadster was bought by celebrities such as Leonardo DiCaprio, Olivia Newton-John, and other stars who were driving an all-electric supercar that rarely contributed to the climate change that was upon us. Tesla was to use the money generated from the sale of the Roadster to build an affordable electric car. Before any concrete details of the upcoming project were even revealed, Mr. Musk noted that the second car would be a sporty four-door family sedan, Model S, priced at roughly half the price of the Roadster. Since its unveiling in 2012, the Tesla Model S has grabbed several awards and titles, including the Car of the Year award by Motor Trend, 5-star safety rating from both the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. After being refined with the recently released Model S Plaid, the all-electric sedan is now better than ever before. The Plaid is recognized as the quickest production car on the planet, boasting mind-blowing acceleration of 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 2 seconds. Elon Musk's third goal was to build an even more affordable EV. The Model S funneled money for the Model X, which was actually produced ahead of the most affordable car, the Model 3. According to Mr. Musk, the Model X production preceded the Model 3 because Tesla customers were more in need of a family vehicle. The Model X ultimately culminated in the Model 3, which was produced in 2017 as the first mass-market EV. Unfortunately, the early phases of Model 3 production met with several challenges, including product quality and other issues. It was during the darkest days of Model 3 that Mr. Musk reached out to Apple to discuss the possibility of Apple's purchasing Tesla. Apple's CEO Tim Cook, however, declined the meeting. Much like anything difficult, the Tesla Model 3 ramp was undeniably necessary. The electric car turned Tesla into a moneymaker and greatly contributed to the automaker's ongoing streak of successful quarters. The Model 3 resembles its sibling Model Y, which is now Tesla's most popular car. The car still contributes substantially to the company's quarter deliveries and production figures, which continue to rise on a quarter-over-quarter basis. While trying to achieve the above-mentioned goals, the automaker has been also offering zero-emission electric power generation and energy storage systems. The company's energy business has continued to expand every quarter, with every generation and deployment figures increasing per quarterly update. During the most recent second quarter earnings call, the company noted that its energy storage deployments tripled year over year in the second quarter, with its Megapack battery systems contributing a substantial percentage. According to Mr. Musk, the demand for its Powerwalls is so high that they have been sold out until the end of next year. Moreover, the company's solar deployments also tripled year over year in the second quarter, reaching 85 megawatts. Tesla's energy storage and solar products have helped homes, businesses, and utilities worldwide to avoid power outages, while also generating revenue for the company. As per the second quarter earnings report, Tesla raked in over $800 million in revenues from its energy projects. Tesla has also deployed more than 25,000 chargers in over 2,700 supercharger stations all over the world. Considering Tesla's impressive quarter deliveries, it could soon increase the number of its superchargers to 30,000 units. The automaker could also unlock its supercharger network to other automakers next year. Obviously, this would be a new source of revenue for the automaker, as it's expected to generate over $25 billion in annual revenues. Make sure to check out one of the videos shown on your screen right now. We post videos daily, so feel free to subscribe and stay up to date on all most recent news and updates.